Hello friends, I welcome all of you in my platform Tech W3 Wave. This is Vijay Kumar. Friends, I would like to invite you to join our LWC master class. In this master class, I will teach you step by step from beginning to advanced level that scenario that is working in live project in office. I know there are so many developers working in multiple years in company. They know Apex class, they know Flow, they know schedule method, they know batch class. But whenever some task assigned about LWC component, they not able to work. I know multiple developer. They have multiple years. They have 3 years, 4 year experience. Sometimes assign task a simple form, build a simple form, registration form, validation and insert. They able to insert. They know how to write Apex class method, how to insert a record, but they not able to build a proper format of form because LWC it is not a Apex class method. It is not a batch class. If you want to learn LWC it is a combination of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and you can apply Apex class method. So some developer know Apex class but not know LWC because LWC it is a combination of front end and back end. Someone know back end but they not know front end. So in this master class, I will teach you a step by step from beginning to advanced level how to create a component, how to create a JavaScript, how to make CSS, how to call Apex class method, how to validate, how to insert, update, delete. Step by step I will follow and I will teach you real project example, real hands-on scenario. I will create a function, I will pass a parameter, I will teach you how does work parameter, how to apply. If I creating a function, I will teach you why I creating function, why I creating a variable, how to call method into the LWC component. If you working on the imperative method, wire method, and event. So I will teach you how does work event, why use wire, why use decorative, why use API. So friends, I know some developer working hard. They completed multiple tutorial as well. They watching YouTube, they watching Udemy course, they only watching tutorial, but they don't have practical experience. I know some developer, they have good experience in Salesforce development. In fact, they have delivered multiple projects in company, but whenever they sit in front of the interview panel, they not crack interview. Why? Because if you working in the project in any of the company, you're not working in a single person. There is a team, and in the team you have only part of small things you doing. You not completed difficult task. If team lead assigning you always a small task, how you learn? So friends, always ready to take challenge. Difficult task you need to complete. If you not deliver difficult task, how you learn LWC? So in this master class, I will teach you real project example, real project scenario that is working in real scenario. So in this master class, I will teach you real project scenario, real scenario that is working in office, not a theory, always practical, 100% practical. So friends, if you want to learn LWC step by step from beginning to advanced level, don't delay, don't wait. Right now in the description, check out registration link. In the registration link, register right now and join my master class. In the master class, totally practical, totally hands-on. In the master class, in the front of you, I will write each and every code. I will write code and I will teach you. If any kind of dot, not getting function, I will repeat first again. So friends, if you want to learn step by step LWC component, how does work LWC component in real project, you must register this master class. Thank you once again for watching my video. Thank you once again. Thanks a lot. Thank you. I will see you in the master class. Thank you.